Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do one of our salads. We're going to do a Orzo and black bean garbanzo salad. A little Caribbean, Floridian kind of deal. Nice, fresh, clean flavors. Get a little cilantro, some peppers, some onion, a little lime juice and zest, a little cumin, and we're going to do like a blended oil with that. I've gone ahead and cooked up some Orzo, so I got a little bit of Orzo. We're going to add to that some beans. I've got some black beans. Go ahead and, if you're cooking them up in or cans, just rinse them off. Give them a little rinse so they don't stain it up. We got some garbanzos. So we'll get those going. Now, for what's going in there, we've got some red onion and a little bit of peppers. And we're going to use a little bit of all of these. I got a little poblano because I like the little bite in there. So we're just going to dice these up, give them a nice little dice. So we're just going to give those a little dice. We got some peppers, and then some onions there, and then we're going to get the peppers, and like I said, the peppers we're going to do a little poblano. We'll save that one for later, and I just clean these up a little bit. Get that little center stem out of there, and the seeds. And we've got a little red pepper, and we'll do the same thing. A little yellow pepper. And whatever kind of peppers you have, if you just got the reds and yellows or this, I just happen to have these all, so we're going to do that and make it a little pretty. So, and again, we're just going to take those the center little pieces out of that because they're not where we want them to be. And then we're just going to give these a little dice as well. And the different colored peppers gives you a little bit of that confetti look. It's real festive and pretty. And then other than that, we've got a little cumin and some cilantro that's going to go in there. But we're just going to dice these all up. Bring those right over. And then, like I said, we're just going to use a little cilantro. And just give it a little rough chop is all you need. It doesn't have to be super fine. And then we're going to get some lime in there, and I want a little bit of the lime juice and a little bit of the lime zest. So we'll get our little zester out, and we're going to zest a little bit in there. And this adds it'll brighten it up quite a bit. You get the flavor from the zest will really, really come forward and help you out with that. And we're probably going to use 2 limes, so we'll see. And you can always check it and see where you're at with it. So we're going to do 1. And the second one. And then we'll just juice these. And get them started, we're going to go ahead and just loosen them up a little bit. Help get the juice out. And we'll just give these a little squeeze in there. Oh yeah, and those are nice and juicy. Those are going to be beautiful. All right, let's give that a little mix and see where we're at. And then the only other thing, we've got a little oil. And I've got a little blended oil here. It's an olive oil and canola oil blend. About a 25% olive oil blend with it. You could certainly use a light olive oil or anything else, but. And then a little bit of cumin. And some salt and pepper, and that's about it. And we'll check it out and see how it is. But you look at that, it's a beautiful little salad, all full of colors and flavors. Really bring out the festive look on that. Go ahead and bowl that up for you. So here we go. We've got our Orzo black bean garbanzo bean salad with some fresh peppers. This is always going to be a hit. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. I hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think.